Moving heavy furniture in Sioux Falls? It can feel overwhelming, but the right movers make all the difference. Today, we'll share how professional furniture movers can make your relocation stress-free and safe. Heavy furniture isn't just heavy, it's awkward and fragile. Professional movers have the right equipment, techniques, and experience to prevent damage to your items and home. Movers in Sioux Falls handle everything from wrapping, disassembling, and loading to safe transport and setup. With their help, you avoid back pain, scratches, and broken items, and gain peace of mind. Plan ahead. Measure doorways, schedule your movers in advance, and know which items need extra care. Professional movers can also provide quotes up front, helping you budget and avoid surprises. Label your boxes, separate fragile items, and communicate any special instructions. Small steps like these help movers work efficiently and ensure your furniture arrives in perfect condition. Moving furniture in Sioux Falls doesn't have to be stressful. Hire professional movers, plan ahead, and enjoy a smooth, worry-free move. Click the link in the description for trusted moving services today.